Need something healthy, hearty and quick after a busy day? This loaded lentil cottage pie is packed with nutrition and flavour, and it's ready in no time. And it's perfect for when you're craving comfort food without the fuss. So let me show you how I made it for dinner last night. Today was one of those days where I wanted something quick and easy for dinner. So I took about 6 potatoes, peeled them, sliced them and chucked them in a pot. And they are going to go on the stove and boil up, ready to be mashed. So once the potatoes are all chopped up, I am cutting up a couple of onions. Those are pretty small, you can do one big one. About 3 sticks of celery, and you can see in my bowl I've got some grated carrot. Basically you can chuck anything that you've got in the fridge that you want to get rid of. Just chop it all up nicely, and of course there's a couple of cloves of garlic there that are going to go in. So now I'm going to add about a tablespoonful of olive oil to the pan, and then we're going to pop in all of our vegetables and let them sort of simmer slowly together, kind of all sweat together. I'm also going to add some paprika, chili and garlic powder, and then I'm going to grate in my garlic. We can see the potatoes boiling nicely next to them. After you've added your garlic, pop the lid on, just let them sweat, give them a stir, and now I'm adding 2 bags of steamed brown lentils that I get from the store because I'm being a bit lazy. And just make sure all the lumps are out. Gently press, make sure everything is nice and even. And next I'm going to add some tomatoes. You can put 1 big can of tomatoes, and I used fire roasted, but I only had 2 small ones. So we just add them to the mixture and gently move them around, let them all mix together. Little salt, pepper, ooh, good slather of pepper there, eh? And again, gently mix, and now we're going to pop on the lid, and voila, look at that, all cooked. And once they're cooked, make sure nothing's stuck to the bottom of the pan, and then you are going to take your oven-proof dish, add in the lentil mixture and distribute it evenly. You don't have to push down too hard. Then you're going to drain your potatoes, and I had a ton of pesto left over from the summer, so I'm adding it good amount to my potatoes and mashing the bejesus out of them. I'm going to add a little nutritional yeast, and then once that's all mixed together, I'm going to take it over to the lentils and put a nice generous layer on the top. Once you've got a good amount on there, then you will take a fork and spread it around, get it nice and even, and then you'll pop it in the broiler for about 5 minutes till it's nice and brown. Here we have it, a loaded lentil cottage pie, and I can't wait to get stuck in. I hope you enjoy this easy lentil cottage pie as much as I do. So if you're looking for more ways to nourish your mind, body and spirit, make sure you check out my next video where I'll be talking about self-doubt and sharing some practical ways to help you overcome it. So you won't want to miss this. I'll see you soon.